Today episode is Parrot Kesha behaves at DVD store / ungrounded. Requested by Gritsumk.
Hey Vivka. Can we go to DVD store? Sure, because Wi-Fi router is broken. But just be good. Hooray!
At DVD store.
Well, Kesha. What DVDs did you choose? I'm picks the Brementown Musicans. Collection of cartoons, 1967 to 1986, by Krupny Plan, on DVD, In a Land of Unlearned Lessons. Collection of cartoons, 1956 to 1981, by Dives and 101 Dalmatians 2, Patch's London Adventure. Let me see. Wow! These 3 DVDs are beautiful. Let's go to the cash register and pay for these DVDs.
Welcome to Plotagonsk's DVD store. How can I help you?
You can look at these 3 DVDs.
Let me see. 250 rubles from you.
There you are.
Have a nice day. When they got home.
Kesha. Good job for behaving on DVD store. You are now ungrounded. You can do whatever you want. Hooray! Thank you, Vivka. You are the best friend.